Let's see how to create one name on Facebook. First we need to clear data on Facebook. Then go to Play Store and download for Indonesia VPN. Now open your Indonesia VPN, then select Indonesian Connect for VPN. Now VPN Connect, then go to Facebook. Go to your profile. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Personal Details. Tap the profile. Now click space on the keyboard. Now see Facebook name showing in single word. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.